I haul recently I had been to the Pantaloons too, so I have captured the collections that was present. So I could see a lot of new collections as well as the trendy collections for kids wear, men's wear, and women's wear. And there were also some of the beautiful handbags, sling bags. The collection was present in Pantaloons Nagarbavi Circle. Today, along with this, I am also going to tell you why do we do the head shave in the name of God in our Hindu traditions. In Hindu tradition, this shaving the head in the name of God that is called mundan, tonsure, or keshtan. It is a very old custom. So we do it in different occasions, like during birth rituals or pilgrimages, or as an offering to fulfill our oath. So this is done in many places. When there is a traditional reasons, there are variety of traditional and religious reasons. Firstly, it is a symbol of surrender. So hair is considered a symbol of beauty and ego. So offering it to God shows humility and surrendering one's pride to the divine. Purification next is purification ritual. Shaving removes old karma and in we believe that shaving removes the old karma and negativity. So it is believed to cleanse past sins and give a fresh start spiritually. Next is sacrifice and gratitude. Giving up something dear is seen as a form of sacrifice to express gratitude when prayers are fulfilled. Rituals of life. In ceremonies like Mundan Sanskar, it symbolizes removal of undesirable traits from past life and enter into the new life, that is auspicious stage. Respect and devotion. Many devotees shave heads at temples like Tirupati to show unconditional devotion, keeping themselves equal before the god without external vanity. And there are also certain scientific and health reasons. Firstly, it is hygiene. In early times, lice, dandruff, and scalp infections were very common, so shaving the head maintained the scalp cleanliness. Skin renewal. Removing hair exposes the scalp to fresh air and sunlight, promoting vitamin D absorption and healthier skin. Hair growth. Scientifically, shaving does not change the thickness of the hair roots, but it gives hair a uniform regrowth and sometimes appears denser. Next is cooling effect. In hot climates like South India, shaving the head provides relief from the heat and helps regulate body temperature. Stress release. The act of tonsure can have a psychological effect, reducing attachment to physical appearance, lowering stress, and giving a sense of lightness. So, in short, shaving the head has traditional and scientific reasons. So, traditionally, it is about humility, surrender, purification, and fulfilling oaths. Scientifically, it supports hygiene, scalp health, cooling, and mental relief. If you like if you like the information that is provided in this video as useful, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and encourage me to post many such videos.